Welcome everyone. Children, in this video we will study about the data structure series of pandas. As you know, series means a sequence of values, simply you can say. So this is the primary building block of pandas. That means series is the simplest data structure of pandas. If we see, it is looking like uh, a labeled 1D array which can hold any type of data. That means it is labeled, means each value is labeled and it can hold any type of data. Now let's check it in our Python. This is your Jupyter notebook, and here I am going to create a series. So you know, series is a data structure of pandas, so you have to import pandas library in your program. So here I am importing pandas and I have given an alias, that is pd. I have written import pandas as pd. Then what I have to do, I am going to create a series simply. So name of the series is S, and to create a series, you know, we have discussed in our last lecture that pd.series and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the data which I am giving. After that I have to print this. So simply you can say, if you want to create a series, first you have to import the library pandas in your program, and then you can use series function of pandas for creating a series. Now I am pressing shift and enter. So let's see the result. It will show you the series. And the data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be the data. This is your series. So here we were talking about, it's just like a 1D array. This is your 1D array, but it is labeled. Labeled means you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 label for the data you have provided, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a labeled 1D array. See, series is a labeled 1D array which can hold any type of data. Now just see any type of data. Here we have used only integers. Now any type means it can hold a combination of integer and character also. So here I have written 1. In place of 2 I am writing B. In place of 4 I am writing D. Now just see, shift and enter. See, in case of array you can store only data of same data type, but here in case of series it can hold any type of data. That means a mixture of data. Alright. Now next you can say data of series is always mutable. That means you can change the data of series. Suppose I want to change in S, I want to change the index 1 that is written as B. So I want to make it index 1 as, suppose, C, right? So I press shift and enter. Now what I have to do, I have to print the series. See, now the data is changed. Alright, see, here at the index 1 you have B. Here I have mute, means change the data, and now data is changed. So you can say ki data of series is mutable and it can be changed, but the size of series is immutable, means it cannot be changed. That means you cannot add or delete a data from a series. Now it is a similar thing you have seen earlier, that it is like two arrays one functioning as index and the other one contains the actual data. So here you have two arrays, one contains the index or the address or the label of each row, and this is data. So two arrays there, one represent your data and the first one represent the label of each value or index of each value. Now in series, row labels are called indexes. So you have seen each row is identified by a number that is known as a label, and it is also known as its index. Now the example of some data, because you are going to create your series using some data. So examples of data are here you can see num. It is a list, and here data is homogeneous. Homogeneous means of same type. So this is a num is a list of homogeneous data. Here EMP, it has AV Raman, this is a string. Then you have an integer. Here you have finance. Finance is a string. Then you have a real type of data. That means it is a list of heterogeneous data. Here you have a string, then colon, and then a value. Again string, colon, and a value, and it is enclosed in curly braces. So it is a dictionary. Here you have a record. That is a tuple. This is a tuple. Because how is it a tuple? Because it enclosed within round bracket. So this you have to keep in your mind, that if you have data enclosed within a square bracket, then it is a list. If you have in curly braces, then it is a dictionary. And if you have your data in round bracket, then it is a tuple. If all the values are of same type, then it is of collection of homogeneous data. And if the values are of different type, then it is heterogeneous data. So here we have seen the basic introduction of series. Now in our next video we will see how to create series using different types of data. Thank you so much and all the best.